Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are setting up my A5 wide planner for October. I'm not going to decorate the monthly spread in this video, but I am going to get the planner set up. I'm going to determine which kits I'm using which week and do a little bit of a haul with you, as well as just sort of tear down September and set up October. So the first thing that we're going to do is take out my September sheets. And here, which I'm not going to be able to do in one go. So what I do with these once they're done is I put them on, I have a set of expander discs, and I put them on there so that I can keep them, because I don't like to throw out my planners. I like to keep them to see what I have been up to, and then, excuse me, and then so they just go on a set of discs that at the end of the year we'll have the whole year, or in this case half a year, that I've been using this layout. All right, I've got September out. I'm just going to put this aside. I'll put it on the expander discs afterwards. And now I have October. So start with the weekly sheets. I am not changing the cover out this month because I am still in love with the one that I've been using since the beginning of September, and I don't want to change it. It's just too pretty. Maybe November, but I kind of feel like I might keep it till December. All right, and then I have sets of the Dutch Door dailies. Okay, so the next thing that I want to do is show you which kits I'm planning to use which weeks, and I'm going to put a little sticky note in the planner on each week so that I can reference it and know what I am planning to use that week. So the first week of October is the week of the 5th. These are undated, but that's okay because obviously they're in order. Or they will be. And I am going to use this kit by Planner Pixie Co. called Cider Lane. I have been looking forward to using this kit basically since I did my monthly spread in this planner for September. So it is really cute and fall-like. I am hoping, I've ordered a whole bunch of new foil colors, and I'm hoping that they come before I have to do this week, because I really want to use brown foil with it, because I'm just not sure what else will look right with it. So we'll see, fingers crossed that it comes before that. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to grab some sticky notes, and I'm going to write maybe just these. I'll probably use these half ones here. Which way do they pull? Okay. So I'm just going to write Cider Lane on it. And just stick that, whoops, there. Okay, the week of the 12th is Thanksgiving here, and then that week is also my husband's birthday on the 14th. So originally I had tried to find some kind of birthday kit for him. I couldn't really find anything that I liked, so I decided just to go with the Thanksgiving theme. So this kit is called Grateful by Print Petticoat Bandit, and I think it'll, do you see the little pumpkin? That's so cute. I think it'll work well. It's, I mean, it kind of looks like shopping bags. It could be a gift, right? It's pretty neutral, so I thought that would be a good one for, whoops, upside down, for his birthday. So that is Grateful. Thought I had a bunch there. Okay, the week of the 19th, we're gonna start some, oops, put these away, some Halloween-ish kits. I'd actually planned to use this one, I think, earlier in the month, and then I just decided it would be better for closer to Halloween because I don't like to super deck out my planner in Halloween. So this is Seeker of Magic by Planner Pixie Co. 3 of the 4 weeks in this month and the monthly are Planner Pixie Co. I'm sure that comes as no surprise to you. I don't know if I'm going to use that one. We'll have to see. Oops, upside down. Washi, so pretty. Boxes. I added, well, I mean, they come with the kit, but I just attached them onto this sheet here. Like, it's actually very pastel and sort of feminine for Halloween, which I kind of like. Work in School and Clouds and Scripts. So, Seeker of Magic. Okay. And then for the last week, which is the week of the 26th, so it is Halloween week, I will go all Halloween-y, and I'm going to use this kit called Haunted by Planner Pixie Co. I need to clean up my stuff. I'm not very good at that. Yes, Haunted by Planner Pixie Co. And I love this one. Really cute. I mean, cute. You guys know what I mean. Boxes, extra boxes, scripts, and work and school stickers. And then these are extra ones that didn't all cut, but I figure if I need them, I can just cut them out by hand. There is washi that did get cut here. So that is what we're going to use for the last week of the month. So that one is Haunted. Okay, next up, I want to make some notes on the monthly spread. I'm not going to, oh, it's kind of sticky. That's weird. So I'm not going to do the full decorating yet. I will give you a little preview of the kit that I am using, which, as I mentioned a moment ago, is Planner Pixie Co. It's the October monthly kit. So it is pretty traditional Halloween on this one, but I really wanted to do, I mentioned, I think in my last monthly plan with me or one of my weekly plan with me's recently, that I just really want like 6 months of all monthlies from one store. So far that's my plan. We'll have to see how November goes though. Okay, added extra washi here, and then I have some scripts to put in there. All right, so what I want to do now is just grab my these little sticky notes, and I just want to put some notes on some important dates. This is undated, but I did put a very faint 1 there and 8 there, and I can figure out the rest of the days from there. I was gonna go ahead and date it, but some of the days I'll want to put full boxes down, so I didn't think it was smart to do that. But in the meantime, there are a couple things I want to mark, so I actually don't need those to start with. I'm gonna start by marking paydays just with these little flags, and I don't need to put like what they're for. I'll know. So the first is a Thursday, so I'll have Etsy. Maybe I'll put them like that in case there's other notes. So each Tuesday I'll have one. I know it looks like it's pointing to the Monday, but I'll know. And then, so the first I'll get one pay, whoopsie, pay. My husband gets paid on the 2nd, 16th, and then the 30th. So it's a 3 pay month for him, which is nice. And then I am gonna have one probably around the 15th again. So it'll be over here. Here? When did you say? No, here. Okay. So those are paydays. And then the other things that I want to mark are that the 8th is my YouTube anniversary, which is exciting. So it will be my 1 year anniversary for A Pretty Planscape, which was my store on Etsy before it was my YouTube channel, but that was the anniversary of the first video I uploaded on this channel. On the 9th, my daughter comes home from her mom's, so she'll be here for 2 weeks, so that's the 9th to the 22nd. My husband's birthday is the 14th, which is a Wednesday. Let's use one of these. I'm just gonna write 14 so that when I mean, I know when my husband's birthday is, but anyway. So Wednesday the 14th. At the end of this week, my daughter has to fill out some forms for a doctor's appointment, so I'm just gonna write C medical forms and put that, oops, should have left more space there. Oh, I'm drawing on the page now. So we'll put that on the Friday, because I think it has to be no less than a week before her appointment. Her appointment is this day, so probably if I put it that day, we'll remember to do it over the weekend. It won't be done on the day I put. All right, the 17th is 10 years since my dad died, which is crazy. So I'm gonna mark that down. And there. My husband and I have an appointment this day at the bank. Well, we have an appointment with the bank. It's going to be by phone, I think. What day did I say? The 19th. Yeah, that would be that day. Okay, then my daughter's doctor's appointment on the 26th at 8:20. Also by phone. And then the last thing that I want to mark is my weekend off at the end of October. So I've mentioned this in a couple different videos, but once every 5 or 6 weeks or so, my husband and I have agreed that I get a weekend off where there are absolutely no expectations on me, and I can do anything I want, and it's all good. Okay, there are a couple other things that I will put on here when I am doing my monthly spread, like Etsy releases every Friday and things like that. But these were the big ones that I wanted to mark down so that I've got a reference when I come to do that spread. All right, because we're not changing the cover or anything else, I think that is actually it for my October setup. Closer to the start of the month, I will be doing my monthly spread and my YouTube calendar for the month. But for now, we are good. I wanted to make sure I got these dates down before I forgot about some of them, like the bank and the doctor's appointment. All right, I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to check me out over on Instagram and Etsy at A Pretty Planscape. I'll see you all again soon. Bye, friends.